Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Vivo V40 SE and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine, go back to the main menu and tap on your photo on the right corner. In it, choose Settings and there Family and Parental Controls. As you can see, now you have PG3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends game, we need more than PG3. To change it, tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental controls, and now we can change it from PG3 to maybe allow uncluded, underrated, configure, understood, and safe. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!